Well, I'm back at working on it again. I'm removing some more components. The AC compressor I've taken off. Now I'm going to go for the alternator and the power steering pump and probably this cross brace. Maybe some of the wiring today. I'm not sure. I'd like to just walk you along through it, but it's just a matter of a few bolts. This one's got 3 on. You just get through the pulleys with them. Easy, easy, easy. And my plan is to pull the engine and the transmission. I'm not about to pull these heads inside the car. Besides, there might be something deep wrong with the motor, and I just like to go ahead and get it out of the way. I don't even want to deal with separating the engine from the transmission because, man, it's in there tight. It's in there really tight. So I'll pull it all together at once. Maybe I'll show you a time lapse of that later, but that's not going to happen today. But I'm going to carry on with some more bolt removals. Another thing I'm doing is as I take bolts out, like the alternator, I'm labeling the bag that I stick them in. I don't care if it takes me 100 bags. My Liberty that I worked on, I didn't do this. I used to mechanic a lot, and I had a lot of confidence because I worked in the dealership, so I worked on the same thing a lot. And I was really sure myself where things go. But on these, I'm not real sure. The Liberty was the first 3.7 I ever worked on. This is going to be my second one. And it's a little bit different. Not much, but a little bit. So I'm labeling everything, packaging them separate, put them with the component, and going back together should be a lot easier this way. Well, this strut brace that went across, well, that was a challenge. The bolts on the driver's side are underneath this, and then they're tucked underneath the master cylinder a little bit. You got to manipulate that. That's not going to be any fun to put back in. I think that it got installed before any of this stuff. Kind of like as a haphazard afterthought. Man, what a deal. But I got the alternator, the air conditioner compressor, the power steering pump. Some of the wiring's unplugged. I'm going to have to take the intake off because that's where I attach the hoist. So, fuel lines, injectors, spark plugs, intake. Yeah, that's got to come out. Alright, not today though. I'm tired. I've done got hot. And I have to work at night, so since it's getting late in the afternoon, I'm going to shut her down. Appreciate you watching my videos. I don't know if this is informative or not, but it is what it is. I wanted to show you guys this. These coils are pretty interesting. One coil operates 2 spark plugs. One is down below and one right there with 3 spark plug wires. Odd, huh? I guess that's cheaper than 6 coils and no spark plug wires. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.